Meet the ROVE R2-4K DUAL. Dash cam, your car's new memory bank. Front camera records in glorious 4K, that's 384UX2160p at 30 FPS. Rear camera, it's no slouch. 1080p at 30 FPS, keeping an eye on tailgaters. Front lens sees a whopping 150 degrees. Rear covers 140 degrees, like your car has eagle vision. Both cameras record at once. No drama, just dual channel action. Sony STARVIS 2. Sensor up front. Think superhero eyes for night driving. f1.5 aperture in front, f1.8 in back. Let there be light even at midnight. Low light, no problem. Night vision's so good, raccoons get jealous. 5G Wi-Fi built in. Download videos at up to 20 Mbps. That's cheetah fast. Dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Your dash cam's got better Wi-Fi than your house. ROVE app lets you view, download, and share videos instantly. Firmware updates over the air. Your dash cam gets smarter while you nap. Built-in GPS tracks your speed, route, and location. 3-inch IPS display, crystal clear even when you squint. GPS stamps your videos, proof for insurance or just bragging rights. Free 128GB microSD card included. No hidden fees, just plug and play. Supports up to 1TB microSD. Store more drama than a reality TV show. Motion detection keeps watch, like a ninja but with pixels. G-sensor locks footage during bumps so your evidence doesn't go poof. Seamless loop recording. Never run out of space, just endless memories. Emergency video lock because accidents don't RSVP. Screensaver mode keeps distractions low, focus high. Live speed and compass. Never get lost unless you want to. Voice guidance, your dash cam talks but never nags. Optional CPL filter ring. Cut glare like a pro photographer. Super capacitor inside. Outlasts batteries, laughs at heat waves. USB Type-C port because it's 2024, not the Stone Age. DIY installation. No engineering degree required. Sleek, compact design. Blends in like a car ninja. Front and rear coverage. Double the cameras, double the protection. Ideal for pros, commuters, and anyone who owns a car. 24/7 custom parking mode, your car's personal security guard. 3 parking modes. Time-lapse, motion, collision detection. Time-lapse mode, watch 8 hours and 8 minutes. Popcorn optional. Motion detection, records when something moves, not just when you do. Collision detection, records a full minute if things get bumpy. Event videos locked safely, no accidental deletes. Voice alert on startup, your car tells you what happened while you slept. Hardwire kit needed for parking mode, sold separately, but worth it. HDR technology, vivid colors, sharp details, even on rainy days. Professional-grade footage, make your own car commercials. Accessory kit included, no missing screws, no sad faces. Perfect for fleet vehicles. Bosses love accountability. Great for rideshare drivers, Uber, Lyft, or pizza delivery. Protects you from insurance fraud. No more, he said, she said. Share clips on social media, become a viral dash cam star. OTA firmware updates. Because even cameras need a glow up. High-speed microSD, 100 Mbps read, 90 Mbps write. Blink and it's done. Never miss a license plate, unless it's covered in mud. Super night vision. See more than your headlights ever could. Wide-angle lenses, catch all the action, even the guy in the next lane. Built-in super capacitor, no battery bulge, just reliable power. Emergency lock button, save that UFO sighting forever. User-friendly controls, no PhD in buttonology required. Live preview on your phone, spy on your car from the couch. Efficient footage management, sort, save, and share in seconds. OTA updates via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. No cables, no hassle. Reliable performance works in heat, cold, or rush hour traffic. Ideal for tech-savvy drivers, geek out over every feature. Great for forgetful folks. Auto locks the important stuff. Peace of mind 24/7. Your car's always got your back. Easy installation. Get rolling in minutes, not hours. Compact size. Hides behind your mirror, not your wallet. Professional drivers trust ROVE. Join the club. Fleet operators love the reliability. Less downtime, more uptime. High-res evidence. Settle disputes with crystal clear proof. Upgrade your car's brain. Don't just drive, document. Turn your commute into a movie, action, drama, comedy included. ROVE R2-4K DUAL, where data meets drama and your car wins. Drive with confidence. ROVE's got your journey covered. So there you have it. The ROVE R2-4K DUAL front and rear dash cam with night vision isn't just another gadget. It's your smart co-pilot on every trip. Whether you're driving through the city, parked at night, or capturing a beautiful sunset road trip, this dash cam has your back in full clarity. You'll find the link to the product in the description below, so go check it out and grab yours before it sells out. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more real reviews on the best tech and car accessories. Until next time, drive safe, stay protected, and stay savvy. Peace out.